Hello guys, welcome back to day 6 of our 30 days React Zero to Hero series. And today we will be discussing basic but mostly asked interview question of the React, and that is types of components. So let's get started. So basically there are two types of components. One is class component and second is functional component. So let us discuss how to write our first class component. I'll delete this code. So to create any class component, we'll have to write first class, then name of our component, that is my component, and then we have to extend React component class. So I'll write this component and then open and curly braces. And inside this class component, we'll have to write the most important method of our class component, that is render. We must include this render method. If we do not use this method, our component will throw an error. So inside this render, we'll have to return. And as discussed yesterday, whenever we write any HTML code, we must put it into round braces, that is circular braces. So I'll use div here. Then h1 tag. Hello YouTube. Let's run our code. It is saying that you must export this component. So we forgot to export this. So export my component as a default. Also it's giving React is not defined. Okay, we'll have to import this React from React library like this. So import React from React library. Okay, so hello YouTube is printed on our front end. We can write multiple methods or multiple functions inside our class component. Let us say click me. I have written click me function. Like this. But if we do not give this render method, it will throw an error saying render instance.render is not a function. So the render method is must in our React class components. Now let us see how to write our functional components. I'll clear this code. We can write this directly as our normal function. So let us say function my component. This is my component's name, and like we can directly return. There is no need to write a render method. So inside the round braces, I'll write hello from function component. Again, we forgot to export it default from our component. So again, export default my component. Save it, and yeah, as you can see, hello from function component is getting printed. So what happens if we do not return anything from our function component? Let's say I will comment this and I'll simply save it like this. Then it will not give any error because functional component does not require any method which they must have. But in our class component, as discussed, we must have the render method. That's it for today's video, guys. And in the next video, we will discuss about the most important topic, that is lifecycle methods of React component. Till then, keep coding. Bye bye.